join me today at this episode, grand opening of the 8-day cafe at the Baliganj.
The ambience is very good, neat and clean place, very nice. The host is really good. I really enjoyed my meal here.
I think it's excellent. We enjoyed each and everything. Non-vegetarian was too good.
Today I have come with my friends. I have really enjoyed every person here, the staff. They are so sweet, they are all smiling. And then we have enjoyed the food and we like to come again and again and again.
Instead of the 8th day, this is the 6th day she'll be coming in.
That's a good one. That was a good one.
I'm a diabetic man, not a patient, and it's controlled. I thought everything was sugar only, but your salads were so good. Salsa was so good.
Salsa.
Oh my God.
Then we should do the salsa dance as well.
Yesterday I came with a chef from ITC. Today I have come with a chef from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad,
That
wow.
is Mr. TJ Singh. He's from
Nice
Hyderabad.
meeting you, sir. Nice meeting you. Let me take you around this store. Now, Baliganj, if you see, the inter-decoration is done of American and European mix with the Indian culture. 8-day cafe is all about love. Here we have the classical Indian kind of setup, which has the old-fashioned. We have another sitting area here, and we have I like the fans, the old-fashioned fans. This is the outside look.
Yeah, this is the build your own breakfast sandwich.
Perfect.
This is mushroom cheese focaccia, and this is the unique one pasta, customized pasta.
Excellent. Guys, मैंने यहाँ पर ट्राई किया है already 70% of the entire 8-day cafe because I'm a regular customer here. So basically from here I will tell you what I have tried. So I will try the shortbread, okay, chocolate vanilla, the eggless chocolate cookie, this I've tried. Apple pie I've not tried. Cookie chocolate chunk cookie I've tried. Lemon drop I've tried as well. Red velvet I've tried. Salted caramel cupcake I've tried. Chocolate cupcake I've not tried. Homemade Oreo I've tried. Red velvet cookie I've tried. Banana bread, yes, I've tried this as well. Almond cake, this I've not tried. Cinnamon roll, this I've tried. Brownie, I've tried. And oatmeal raisin also I have tried. So basically from this, I've tried 95% of all the bakery items I've tried from here. A quick find out about the 8-day staff knowledge, the team, okay, what they know about the 8-day value. Okay, we have a lady here. Let's push it. Chalo, aa jao.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
First value is be delicious.
Wow, that's great. Let's ask this boy and ask what's the value. Hi, what's the value of 8-day?
Be together.
Be together. That's great. That's great. Be together. See, that's the teamwork of 8-day. Let's ask him. Be creative. Be creative. Yes. Wow, that's lovely.
My name is Vaibhav.
Thank you, Vaibhav.
Thank you.
Let's ask the lady out here. What is the 8-day value?
Hi.
What's the name first?
Inspiring.
Being-
Isha.
Isha.
Yes.
Thank you, Isha. So being inspiring.
Yes.
So guys, we can see that everyone knows their task. Everyone knows the vision and the value of 8-day. Guys, let's ask the owner itself. Hi, Grant. Sorry, a quick question for you.
Yes.
What is the 8-day value?
The value is love.
Love.
Yeah.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Yeah, we want
and
to be
make
the change. That's
great,
right.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that was a great one. Huh? So we have Grant there, and now let's go and have some fajita sandwich. Fajita sandwich. Garlic parmesan. So finally we had the 8th day grand opening. Let's try out the I've got this fajita sandwich. Okay, this is amazing looking fajita sandwich. देखो इसका अंदर में देखो क्या है. Wow, amazing. With chicken and veg mix. Then we have the my favorite as always. मेरा जो favorite है ये garlic parmesan burger. ये burger है. So let's take this out and show you the filling. This is value for money. ये पूरा value for money है. ये देखो. Look at this. ठीक है. So this is one of my, and the chicken size जो है इनका chicken size is very huge, and we have the French fries. So this is value for money and it's very heavy. हाँ, ये बहुत heavy है. इसको करते हैं साइड में. Maybe just put in the mouth ना. क्यों हाथ में खाना है इसको? पॉक क्यों खाना है इसको? This is chicken. This is my first time trying this fajita sandwich. Burger मैंने try किया है, लेकिन मैं first time try कर रहा हूँ. Let me try the. Let's keep the pork aside and have this directly. So, look at the filling. इसका filling देखो यहाँ पर. It's full of. It's got that greens. You got a chicken. Okay, you got this lovely tomatoes, and you got that the green bell pepper, and a lot of fragrance. It has a lot of fragrance. So I'm not going to use a fork, just directly in my mouth. Let's try this. My favorite. After the burger, this is my favorite. Worth trying this dish because its size is complete for 2 people. आप 2 आदमी खा सकते हो इसमें. But one is very heavy. For 2 people, easy can have it. This burger right here is good for 2. It's very heavy. So let's try. मैंने try किया कुछ अभी coffee मैंने order किया, कुछ drinks order किया, वो try करते हैं. Let's try the burger. Let me try the French fries. This is garlic. Amazing. I'll try the burger now. Okay. The chicken size is very big here. It's very big chicken size. Burger is my favorite. The chicken is basically properly grilled. You can get the smoky taste and the grilled taste, and it's super crunchy on the outside. You got some toppings on it, seasoning on. ये मेरा पूरा bowl आ गया first को. This is my bowl, but this is my all-time favorite, the burger. Nothing can matter with this. It's huge, yeah. 8 Day Cafe has always been my best outlet. Do visit here. 8 Day Cafe and Paligan, they have all the other outlets, but this is one of, if you want a better environment, a better, bigger place, a bigger relaxation, a more better ambient, and more, of course they have all the good stores, but this is, I feel, is more openly, more cozy. If you want a quieter place, go to the green room. If you want a more noisy and outside, it comes to the AC, but AC is on both sides. But most importantly, I'm enjoying the burger. Amazing. Guys, let's get the coffee. This kind of sitting is one of the best for when you're having a cozy corner, and it's quite cool. I mean, compared to the outside, you must feel more homely. So this is more touchy part. This is very good. So that's the owner of the A-Day Cafe, which is Grant M. Walsh. We have the hot beverages. It's much more of a simplified. And then we have the all the cold beverages. This cafe is best known for its pocket friendly. If you want to have a huge meal with a great family outing or friends, this is the best place to visit because you have a pocket friendly, a good budget. This is the right place to come. Wow. राजदीप पूछते हैं टाइमिंग क्या है यहाँ का? राजदीप, what is the timing of your store?
From 8 to 10. Location is a 34 Baliganj Place, just opposite to the Chowman and the next gully of next lane of the 6 Baliganj Place.
What would be the sitting capacity here?
It's near about 52 to 54.
Thank you.
Thank you.
आकाश कुमार दास, मैं पिछले 1.5 साल से यहाँ काम कर रहा हूँ और मैनेजमेंट ने मुझे मौका दिया है कि यहाँ स्टाफ को ट्रेन करने के लिए और उनको कॉफ़ी बनाना सिखाना उनको मेरा जिम्मेदारी है। कैसे ऑर्डर लेना है, कैसे गेस्ट से बात करना है, कैसे सर्व करना है, तो ये जिम्मेदारी मैंने लिया है और मैनेजमेंट मुझे पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहा है इस चीज़ पे लेके और मैं सिखाते हुए भी अपने आप को टीच कर रहा हूँ। इस मेरे लिए भी बहुत
लर्निंग प्रोसेस।
यस यस
वेरी गुड। So guys, let's move out and call it a night today. And if you like the video, please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So, Satya guys, take care, bye. Enjoy your meal and do visit.